Guys, ganito yung madali na technique para makuha agad ng sukat sa mga corner. Anuhin mo lang, ilalatagan mo lang sa pangalawa sa panlast, ang tiles, ilalatag mo, tapos kailangan parehas siya. Tapos ngayon, corner mong ng metro, tapos ang corner to corner, tapos pitikan mo lang. Magaling ang diskarte niya. Master lang talagang gumagawa nito. So, tingnan nyo. Panoorin natin kung paano na diskartehan. Let's go.
I don't start beating myself, and all I can say is
Ito talagang manual cutter na ito. Magaling talaga. Maganda talaga itong pangkat niya ng tiles. Madali lang ito maka hati.
what would I say? I'll be hurt and certain, and being good to let you know that you're a fool to jump the gun. 'Cause I've been advised by other guys you left behind. Your goodbyes to someone unrefined. If I think my roles just right, then tonight you'd be my lucky night. You could be mine if I presented to you with the flowers and the moonlight shining you. Oh, you couldn't say no.
Diba, saglit lang no.
If it
Mas madaling gamitin itong manual tile cutter dun sa grinder or kung saan kayo komportable na gamit ba. Pero sa nakikita ko mas madali yung pag nito. Pero depende sa tiles kasi pag medyo makapal at saka malalapad, kadalasan na ginagamit grinder na
but be my wrong just right.
Ay lang guys, simple lang no.
Let it be mine.
Tsaka magaling siya mag-tiles, maganda. Magandang kinalabasan.
If I presented to
Hmm?
you with the
Oh,
flowers
ayos ang design
and the moonlight shining
Diba?
you. Or you couldn't say no.
Ang ganda. So at least, ayun, mayroon naman tayong technique paano madali mag-cut ng tiles. Ganun lang diskarte.